ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Menteri Rang Bado Jongkari Narendra Modi hagasngi balang jongkalai tarik ubenan naiwing arajar arpuai ulalum jingelang yeki Deputy Commissioner jongki District baper heki jilla kari India banti benya halor ke jingduna sabapalat jongki paitba nongsong snong kiba mi syakmat ban ai injektika yalade kenang ban yada na ke jingye bit yeka klam jingpang COVID-19. Menteri Rangba ka Jelau Konrad Kongkel Sangma uliatho bahagani ka jingelang kabala penlong lingba ka video conference baru Menteri Rangba do jong kari India la pensngoru baka East Garo Hills District kadai ka Waina Pedengki District ka baduna hado kata-kata ka jingmi syakmat jong ki paitba ban ai injektika na Pedengki Waipat ki District ki badan hapo ka Jela Meghalaya. Ki jilla ki bakhamduna ki district baki paitba kin ai injektika ki longru hajilla Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Manipur, Nagaland, Badhaga jilla Arunachal Pradesh.
With certain deputy commissioners of the country, about 9 deputy commissioners were where the Prime Minister interacted directly. Out of those 9, the East Garo Hills also was there because East Garo Hills also is one of the states in which it is one of the districts where the vaccination is lesser than the national average. Though it is at about 50 plus now, it's still below the national average. So therefore, other districts which were below the national average were also discussed. Prime Minister has given suggestions to all the districts to how to improve on it, and a long discussion took place. A lot of interaction was there between the deputy commissioners and the Prime Minister. And from our point as the Chief Ministers, the Honorable Prime Minister wanted us to be there so that this matter would be taken up seriously. And so the Deputy Commissioners mostly spoke, but more or less we also have made up our mind that in the next 2 months, so that we as a state during this festive season can actually enjoy the festive season and move out more freely. We would also want to see that the vaccination process reaches 100% within this festive season, which means before Christmas we'll be targeting that we should achieve 100%. And with that motive, we have also planned out a few points. We'll be finalizing them in a day or two, and we'll be pushing for more vaccination in the coming weeks and the coming months. But obviously, this message was meant for all the districts which are lagging behind. About I think 60 or 70 districts are below the national average. So this message was for all of them. But discussion and participation from Meghalaya was only from one district. There was one from Chhattisgarh, there was one from Rajasthan, there was one from Manipur, one from Nagaland, one from Arunachal. So like that, there were like one districts, about 9 of them from different parts of the country. Thank you guys. Thank you, sir.